Next up, the last of our MLB opening day special squares pools breaks. You did it. NT football box number 10. This is the last one, and it has the last 10 squares for the Yankees and Rays squares pool. So, now that I have every single break, all the squares and who won them, after we get done with all this amazing baseball that I've been posting, at like midnight tonight, I'll be able to fill out all the squares pools, post them on the website. That giant banner on the top of my website that says opening day, you'll be able to just click that and you'll see all the filled out squares pools, and there'll be videos of me randoming the squares pools to fill them out. All right, NT football box break number 10. Here we go. The last one of the case. You all know how it works. No, Russi's not getting kicked out. I'm not going to listen to Russi's complaining anymore about anything, because he complains and then doesn't. Then I do what he asks and then doesn't do it. So, no more complaining, Russi. I'm just ignoring you now. I can't please. There's no pleasing Russi. Drew Brees to 99 to start. 13 to 99. Barnyard. After that, Andy Dalton 39 of 49. But I do understand that the exchange rate, that is pretty awful. 39 is Richie. Under that we have Cooks, Snead, and Thomas. Saints triple, 8 of 45. Colossus of Clout. And Tremendous Treasures, 38 of 99. Carlos Dunlap. A Barnyard. Oh, we got triple patch, though. That's not bad. Adrian Peterson, Doug Martin, Todd Gurley. 6 of 10. NFL Gear triple patch. Notorious B.O.B. Peterson, Martin, and Gurley. Then we have, Amir Abdullah. Colossal Signature Swoosh, numbered 1 of 2, Packer 23. Yeah, that's a perfect example, Russi. I'm just ignoring that complaint now. I don't care. Ask me if I care. No, I don't care anymore. Packer 23, 1 of 2, swoosh auto. Complain on, Russi. 87 of 99. Carew, dual auto. That's Brian E. And, what is this? 1 of 5. Bo Jackson, Marcus Allen, dual auto. Packer 23. Wasn't getting anything lately, Packer 23. Now all of a sudden, 1 of 5. Jackson and Marcus Allen. What is this? Will Fuller, black RPA, 3 of 5. We had the Will Fuller tag in this one, didn't we? 3. Mr. Bonnie Smalls. Turner rules. And DeMarcus Robinson, 26 of 49. I saw him signing these at the collegiate thing I went to. 26 of 49. Primary Ken. It's a little smudged on the auto. Well, Will Fuller to 5. Bo Jackson, Marcus Allen, 1 of 5.